In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a custom layout in Squarespace 7.1 using Fluid Engine. If you're new to Fluid Engine, think of it as a flexible design grid that lets you place content exactly where you want it. We'll walk through setting up a section, arranging blocks, refining spacing, and saving your changes. First, open your Squarespace 7.1 site editor. From your dashboard, head into the site and click Edit so you can work directly on the page. You'll see your site become interactive with editable areas highlighted. Next, go to the page section you want to edit with Fluid Engine. Scroll to the area you want to redesign and hover until you see the section controls. Fluid Engine is active in 7.1 sections, giving you a visible grid and handles that make precise placement possible. From here, you can add a new section or open an existing one. If you're adding, choose a section type that matches your goal, like a simple blank canvas for full control. If you're using an existing section, click into it to access the grid layout. Now drag and place blocks where you want them on the grid. Open the Insert menu to add text, images, buttons, or other content, then drag each block onto the grid. Notice blocks snap to the cells. This helps you keep elements tidy. Don't worry about perfection yet. Just get everything roughly in place. Then resize and align the blocks to shape your layout. Then use the corner and edge handles to stretch blocks wider or taller. And watch for alignment guides that appear as you move things around. Aim for consistent margins and even spacing. Stacking blocks vertically or overlapping them slightly can add hierarchy, but keep readability in mind. When you're happy with the basic arrangement, preview the design and adjust spacing if needed. Use the built-in preview to check how the section looks on desktop and mobile. Tighten or loosen the space by nudging blocks on the grid or adjusting section padding. Step back and scan for visual balance. Headlines should stand out. Images shouldn't crowd text, and buttons should be easy to tap. Finally, save the page after the layout looks right. Click Save to preserve your changes and give the page a quick refresh to confirm everything holds. That's it. Your custom Fluid Engine layout is live and ready for visitors.